Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let me show you these two lamps that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that they could be really good for a nightstand, for example. Like if you're gonna put this one in your bedroom, each one of this one in a different nightstand on the side of the bed, and on the side of the bed, actually. It could be really nice. But also, if you wanna put them kind of like in a living room, like in an accent corner, or there another one where your TV is on the sides or something like that, that could be really good, just for the reason that this one comes with two lights. And you're gonna see that in a little bit when I'm kind of like turning off the lights and showing you a little bit better of this one. But this one is gonna be kind of like the cozy one for like reading or something like that. But you also have the main one. And by the way, of course, you can light them up like both at the same time to make it to be even more cozier or more bright as well at the same time. The other good thing I like about this one, besides they're super easy to assemble, probably like in 10 minutes or so you're gonna get them both assembled, is that it comes with a USB-C and a USB-A port. So you can use this one again on your nightstand to charge your devices at the same time, or like that accent corner to just plug your phones and let them be charging right away. Let's actually turn off the lights. Okay, so I leave those kind of like the shades open so we are not in complete dark right here, but check this out. I'm gonna just turn on this ones right here. You can see how nice this one is for kind of like a reading area. You know, it's gonna be super, super bright, but it's gonna be nice enough to actually leave them on. And if not, you can just do this and use the regular lamps, which again, they're gonna be depending on the bulbs that you put in here, which are gonna be regular bulbs. It's gonna be kind of like nice to put a smart light here, for example, or down here as well to make it to be operational with your smart devices. But then check this out. This is how they look both on. I think that these are gonna be a really nice decoration on your nightstand, on your bed. 24 inches, two USB-C and USB-A ports, and of course the two sides of the light bulbs, which I think it looks fantastic.